So it seems like then Ben is saying you can just use RxJS 8 for this, and then that will do what you guys want it to do. And is that, you agree with that? RxJS 8 will do that and that will solve your problems? Or would you still want it to be, would you still want the TC39 proposal to move forward? Or you can just use RxJS 8 and then we're cool with that.
The Rx function that Ben provides in RxJS is so simple, you can just include it or write it by yourself. It's not very, it's complicated because you have to do it right, but once you have it, you can use it everywhere. You don't necessarily need RxJS for this, but it provides this functionality and we can be sure that it's tested and bulletproof. So RxJS is providing so many operators, I would use it anyway. So I can just use the Rx function.
All right. Yeah. So just use the Rx function if you want to do this piping or pull in RxJS. If you're using it anyway, then it's going to be there. Okay. Good job, Ben Lesh.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So does that mean we don't need to summon little Dan, or we need to summon little Dan anyway? Do we want to talk about the signals proposal and what's going on with that, or any other questions?
Maybe about the pipeline operator.
We still want that,
of course.
Or we want to know what's going on with that. So okay, so this is my question. Then you have the Rx function from Ben Lesh, but you still want the pipeline operator. Can you help us understand that?
Yeah, you can basically, you don't have to use the Rx function because you can pipe the result of the native observable operators into your custom operator, and then back into some other functions to get a combined observable where you can finally subscribe. I don't really know how it will look like, but yeah, Ben said maybe someone, not maybe the platform, but something like RxJS, need to provide pipeable versions of the operators.
I just grabbed a screenshot of this whole Google Meet and I'm sending it to Ben Lesh and asking him if he has time to nerd out with us, because I think we need Ben Lesh.
We always need that.